What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2005 Kawasaki Vulcan Classic. This is the 1700, guys, the big bad Vulcan. Guys, this bike's super nice. It does have one flaw, I'll point it out. Got a couple scuffs here in the back, a little chip right there. It's like a champagne gold color, got a big old sissy bar, Cobra pipes. So all looks really good. Tank looks good. Chrome, it's got this hypercharger, tiny bit of pitting on the hypercharger, not a big deal. Front fender looks good, got a chip right there. Front lights look good. Front tire looks like it's got decent tread left on it. All the chrome, it is carbureted, guys. Let's have some scratches right there on that side cover. Top of the tank's in good shape. Just such a big tank. Seat's in good shape. Let's fire it up. Guys, it's got 19,153 miles on it. It runs great, guys. Like I showed you, fires up right away, runs great. Here's that one major flaw. I'll point this out, I almost forgot. It is this scuff right here on the side. Now I'm sure this can be sanded down and you can just get some of the color right to match that. It's up under the logo. It's really unnoticeable, honestly. But that's the major flaw. There's a little chip right there as well. But that is the major flaw with this bike. So thanks for watching, guys.